on your computer to do this, go to the class in which you need to upload your YouTube video to Edpuzzle. Mine is the test class. You will see an assignment called World History Student Project. You click on it, so this one is called Practice Student Project. There'll be instructions for you and when it's due. You need to click the Start Project button. And here's where you need to have your URL from your YouTube video. Remember, it takes minimum of 24 hours that it needs to be in YouTube before it will be seen in the search results. So I copy the YouTube URL, I input it into the YouTube search text box right here, select it, and you're going to click the pencil in order to edit it. If you want to make any cropping of the video here, you can do that, or if you've already cropped it in iMovie, then you don't need to do that. The voiceover is for you to
Edit by Soka Beating Coke.
To talk over the entire video. The audio notes is if at some point you want to add a note that you narrate, you can choose and select an audio note. And then in order to do the quizzes, those interactive questions, you need to click on the green quizzes, it'll turn green, and then drag the bar down here to the question mark wherever you would like that quiz to be. So hopefully you've already generated at what point you would like the quizzes questions to be. My first question I'm going to place at 13 seconds. And then you click the question mark and you have three options. This is an open-ended question. The one with the question mark has an open-ended question here. You can add pictures in here, links to something else, the multiple choice or multi-choice question, and you can add more answer choices here. And then this is just a comment. This isn't a quiz question, it's just a comment that will pop up. So I can ask the question, what solution is the bead soaking in? And it doesn't matter what order you put your answers in. You just have to make sure that you select the correct answer. So it is in Coca-Cola. So I mark the other two incorrect and this one correct. I can provide feedback if I want to provide feedback. You might want to rewind and re-listen. And then I will do that for the other one. And then I can say, great job. And then I want to save it. Once you've added the 5 questions, I believe that was the minimum that your teacher has asked of you, you can either click save and go back and change and edit it at a later date, or you can click finish. Be careful though, do not click finish until you are fully ready to submit it to Mr. Ambrose. Make sure that your title is the correct title, and I would want to call it whatever class period. I'm in his second period class, whatever your title, and make sure that you have all of your partners named in the title. It's saving, and now I finished it, so I'm going to click finish. And you will see here, you can turn it in, you can edit, you can delete, or you can comment on it. So when you're fully ready, you click turn in. So up until this point, you could still edit it, delete it, start over. And so if you wanted to start over, you could delete it and start over, or make a comment to your teacher. I'm going to turn it in. And now it will tell you, waiting for your teacher to grade your project. So you cannot make any changes at this point. You can just go back to your classes and notice that I click on the completed and it says that I've turned it in today. If I click back on it, it says waiting for your teacher to grade your project.